Hey, welcome back to our channel Personality Perspectives, where we explore the fascinating world of personality and personal growth. Today's topic is all about how INFPs can succeed in the business world. If you're an INFP or interested in their unique perspectives, this video is for you. So let's dive right in. As an INFP, your creative and empathetic nature can be your greatest asset in the business world. To truly thrive, it's essential to align your work with your values and find a sense of purpose in what you do. Here are some strategies that can help you succeed. First and foremost, embrace your natural creativity. INFPs have a rich inner world and a unique ability to think outside the box. Use this to your advantage by bringing fresh and innovative ideas to the table. Whether it's designing captivating visuals, crafting compelling narratives, or developing unique solutions, let your creativity shine through. Next, leverage your empathetic nature. INFPs have a remarkable ability to understand and connect with others on a deep emotional level. This makes you highly attuned to customer needs and desires. Use your empathy to create products or services that truly resonate with your target audience. Build genuine relationships with your customers and prioritize their satisfaction. As an INFP, it's crucial to find a balance between your introverted nature and the need for networking. While networking may not come naturally to you, it can open doors to valuable opportunities. Seek out networking events or online communities where you can connect with like-minded individuals who share your interests and values. These connections can provide support, inspiration, and potential collaborations. Hey, if you're enjoying the video so far and want to see more content tailored to INFPs and personal growth, don't forget to hit that like button. It lets us know that you appreciate our efforts in bringing valuable insights to your screen. We're a small channel, and any feedback would be greatly appreciated. Now let's get back to the video. Remember, INFPs thrive in work environments that align with their values. When choosing a career or starting a business, seek opportunities that allow you to make a positive impact on the world. Whether it's through social entrepreneurship, environmental advocacy, or promoting inclusivity, find a cause that resonates with your heart and integrate it into your business endeavors. Now here's an important reminder for all you wonderful INFPs out there. Don't forget to take care of yourself. Your deep sensitivity and emotional nature can sometimes lead to burnout or overwhelm. Prioritize self-care, establish healthy boundaries, and allow yourself the time and space to recharge. Remember, your well-being is just as important as your professional success. We hope these strategies will empower you to thrive in the business world while staying true to yourselves. If you found this video helpful or have any insights to share, we'd love to hear from you in the comments section below. Let's engage in a meaningful conversation and support one another's journeys. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content tailored to INFPs and personal growth, don't forget to hit that like button. It lets us know that you appreciate our efforts in bringing valuable insights to your screen. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. Join our growing community of like-minded individuals on a journey of self-discovery and personal development. Thank you for joining us today, fellow INFPs, and those intrigued by their incredible abilities. Remember, your unique perspective and talents can make a significant impact in the business world. Keep embracing your authenticity, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember to stay curious,